Welcome to CurrentWare, let's explore. BrowseReporter's Utilization Dashboard gives leaders real-time insight into schedule adherence, engagement levels, and workload balance across every employee. Your Productivity Command Center. All employee utilization data and productivity metrics live in one unified dashboard. Spot productivity gaps fast. Application utilization metrics surface exactly where engagement drops off across your team. Live utilization at a glance. Real-time metrics reveal individual productivity patterns so managers can act before issues compound. Identify underutilized talent. Low-activity employees are flagged automatically so you can redirect capacity where it matters most. Catch burnout before it happens. Overutilized team members are highlighted so workloads can be rebalanced before performance suffers. Deep dive into individual data. Drill into per-employee utilization detail to understand exactly where time is being spent. Connect productivity to expected work hours with option to add compensation to linked utilization data, so resource spend maps directly to measurable output. Tailor settings to your team. Configure expected work hours and utilization ranges so every metric reflects your actual standards. Set your work hour baseline. Define expected daily hours per employee so utilization scores reflect real availability, not defaults. Salary data. Average compensation data sits alongside utilization metrics for informed staffing decisions. Flex standards across teams. Different groups get different work hour expectations, so every team is measured fairly. Per user hour customization. Assign individualized work hour targets so utilization data reflects each employee's actual role. Scale tracking across groups. Add new teams and users to your productivity tracking setup without rebuilding from scratch. Built for flexible schedules. Non-standard work patterns are tracked accurately alongside traditional schedules. Configure the experience around employees' expected working hours and default weekly schedule when flexible work options are not enabled, ensuring we clearly reflect their typical working days. Define your ideal range. Set the utilization band that represents peak, healthy performance for your organization. Balance workloads proactively. Utilization thresholds flag imbalance early so managers can redistribute work before burnout sets in. Update setting based on a day is treated as a workday when active time meets or exceeds the defined threshold, ensuring reporting aligns with how teams actually work. Option to choose Workday plus Extra Work to capture both scheduled hours and extra effort in your utilization story. If you'd like deeper insights into utilization and schedule adherence, contact our team to explore a customized solution for your organization.